chief guest of the day, Dr. Manjeet Singh, Deputy Director and in charge, Sports, CBSE, and Shri Hariram Gupta ji, former Secretary, CBSE. I also welcome the founder members whose vision has brought the Teachers Cricket Championship to this platform within a span of only 2 years. The President Shri Sanjeev Gupta ji, Senior Vice President Shri Sanjay Bhartiya ji, Vice President Shri Rohit Bajaj ji, Organizing Secretary Shri Manan Budhraja ji, Joint Secretary Shri Parveen Kesar ji, Treasurer Shri Amar Agarwal ji, Assistant Treasurer Shri Naresh Jain ji. My heartfelt welcome to the chairman, managers, principals of all the participating schools and my dear teachers who have added another feather to their cap, and now they have become the cricket players also. Can we have a loud round of applause for all of you? I also extend a heartfelt gratitude to all our sponsors with whose support we have been able to organize this tournament with a spectacular pomp show. A brief history of the Teachers Cricket Championship. The first tournament was played in Mother Divine Public School with 9 teams in May 2018. It was so very well received by all that the second tournament was organized in January 2019 with 10 teams. And here we are with 16 teams and more than 200 players to play season 3. I get immense contentment and pleasure when I see all my teachers working so hard. When I say my teachers, I consider you all are mine. And it's such a gratifying thing to see that you all practice after a hard work, throughout the day you are there in the classes and after that you practice. And I see most of you coming on Sundays, on holidays also to practice and do your best in the Teachers Cricket Championship. I wish and pray to the Almighty that we are able to take this championship to even greater heights. So I am sure that you all are with me in these prayers. I would now like to read out the rules and regulations, although we have circulated them, but then just to make everything clear, the team will be consisting of playing 11, 6 male and 5 female members. 2 extras, 1 male and 1 female should be a part of the team. Only the regular teachers, staff of the school is allowed to be a member of the team. This is a very, very sensitive issue considered out. 2 new tennis balls will be provided to each team in a match. It is mandatory to change the ball after 6th over has been delivered. In the female over, wide ball will be considered beyond 2 meters. जैसे मेल ओवर में 1 मीटर इधर 1 मीटर इधर, उसी तरह से फीमेल ओवर में 2 मीटर इस तरफ 2 मीटर इस तरफ. 1 run and 1 extra ball will be given for white ball as is done in the male over. The only change is that it is 2 meters in place of 1 meter. Hit wicket will not be considered out for female players so as to avoid getting out deliberately. हम जो टीम्स हमारे साथ लास्ट ईयर थी हमने देखा था, है ना, अगर मैं बताऊं आपको कि मैंने भी यही कोशिश की थी कि मेरे से ना तो भागा जा रहा है ना कैच पकड़ी जा रही है, तो मैं बेटर है कि डेलिबरेटली आउट हो जाए और किसी मेल मेंबर को आने दें ताकि टीम के जीतने का चांस बने. तो हम क्या करते थे, हम बैट लेके विकेट को टच कर देते थे, आउट हो गए आउट हो गए. तो इस चीज को अवॉइड करने के लिए अब की बार फीमेल प्लेयर्स जो हैं उनका जो है हिट विकेट दैट विल नॉट बी कंसिडर्ड आउट. और अब की बार तो मुझे पूरी उम्मीद है कि इस तरह की कोई नौबत ही नहीं आने वाली. 5 minutes break in between the innings will be provided for drinks. All the teams must reach the venue half an hour before the scheduled time of the match. There will be half an hour wait for them. अगर वो टीम नहीं पहुंचती है, हाफ एन आवर हमने पहले लिख के भेजा था, पर मेरी आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप बिल्कुल टाइम से पहुंच जाएं ताकि सारे मैचेस टाइम बाउंड हो सकें। 15 minutes wait will be there. After that, walkover will be given to the other team. There will be a verification and registration counter in the ground. When you report there, the members of the playing team, we will match them with the registration form you have already sent to us. So your photograph is there. There's going to be a matching with that. Any new member will not be allowed to play. जिनका आपने लिस्ट में नाम भेजा है, जिनका आपने फोटोग्राफ भेजा है, वही मेंबर्स खेलेंगे। उस समय लास्ट टाइम थोड़ी सी हमारी एक अनप्लेजेंटनेस हो गई थी, जहां कोई मेंबर अवेलेबल नहीं था बिकॉज ऑफ सम रीजन, कोई प्लेयर, और उनकी जगह पर ये बताया गया कि इनकी जगह पे इनको खिला लो। तो वो जो है ऐसा आपकी बार हम बिल्कुल अवॉइड करेंगे। किसी की जगह कोई नहीं खेलेगा। ओनली दोज हु हैव बीन रजिस्टर्ड, ओनली दोज हुज फॉर्म्स हैव बीन रिसीव्ड बाय द कमिटी, ओनली दोज मेंबर्स आर अलाउड टू प्ले। अगर मान लीजिए टीम में कोई, वैसे तो आपके 13 हैं, एक्स्ट्राज हैं, अगर कोई फॉर सम रीजन कोई इमरजेंसी हो जाती है तो जो आपकी 13 प्लेइंग हैं उनमें से आप खिला सकते हैं। Each team will get 13 coupons for refreshment. एक मील के कूपन आपको मिलेंगे जिसमें you are entitled for 1 meal and 1 tea, and you can have the meals and tea